When does it make sense to refinance? Because I read, oh, once you have a 1% differential on your mortgage,
Sure.
does that make sense?
Okay. So yes. And a whole lot more goes into it than that. How do we
Yeah.
know when it's time to refi? I will tell you my little quick primer on a refi. There are three things. Number one, right? You do want your interest rate to drop. How much does it need to drop? The larger your loan amount, the less it needs to drop to see a big impact. Okay. Because you're paying interest over a bigger amount.
Right.
Therefore, you see a bigger savings. The second piece that can come into play with refinancing your mortgage is, can you move loan programs? So are you in an FHA mortgage, Federal Housing Administration mortgage, that has permanent mortgage insurance, and you want to drop that? Go to a conventional loan, which has mortgage insurance that eventually falls off. May be a great way to do it. And the third way is, has the equity in your house increased enough to remove mortgage insurance potentially altogether? The vast majority of first-time homebuyers have mortgage insurance these days. And it could be, maybe it's $150 a month. So maybe when you refi, maybe it's only dropped a half, but you're going to save $100 from your mortgage insurance and $150 from the rate dropping. Now you're at $250. Well, wouldn't we all like to have another $250 a month in our pocket?
Right.
How do you know when it's time? You need to talk to a loan officer, and they need to run the numbers. What you're looking for is what is called a net tangible benefit, which is essentially like, what are you actually saving on this after closing costs, attorney's fees, everything comes out of it? What is the savings over the length of time you think you're going to stay in your house? That's a big pet peeve of mine.